Hello makers, welcome to the AGF Quilt Block Collection. My name is Melly and I've been sewing with Jessica Swift's new collection for AGF called Siren. And let me tell you, this underwater inspired collection is so much fun to sew with. My favorite print from the collection is called Siren Song Twilight, filled with mermaids and aquatic wildlife. Let's find our inner mermaid and sew up the building blocks quilt block. Makers, let's get started. If you're new to our channel and looking to brush up on your quilt block skills, don't forget to subscribe below to watch more fun sewing tutorials like this one. Check out the description box below to find all the cutting requirements and step-by-step instructions. To make the center of your block, sew a 1.5 by 3.5 inch strip from fabric B to each side of your fussy cut mermaid block from fabric A. Now sew a 2.5 by 3.5 inch rectangle from fabric D to each side of your piece. Now sew your remaining 1.5 by 3.5 inch strips from fabric B to your 2.5 by 3.5 rectangles from fabric D. To make your 4 9-patch blocks, arrange and sew your 1.5 inch squares from fabric B and C as follows. Sew your top and bottom rows by sewing a 9-patch block to each side of your other block units. Sew your 3 rows together alternating seams. And your building blocks quilt block is complete. Make sure to share your quilt block creations made with AGF fabrics on social media using the hashtag AGF Quilt Block Collection. Awesome job! Our building blocks quilt block came out looking pretty cute. This block is perfect for beginner sewers, so make sure to share with all your sewing friends. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you on the next AGF Quilt Block Collection tutorial. Until next time, happy sewing! Make sure to click the bell underneath the video to get notified when new AGF block tutorials are released. Leave a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video. Until next time, happy sewing!